Is it possible to generate money online by merely viewing YouTube videos? That's right, you read it accurately. Right now, the simplest way to get money is to watch videos on YouTube. With this method, you can obtain PayPal money and make money online without putting any effort or expenditure. You don't have to upload or shoot them, edit them, acquire subscribers, or invest money. All you have to do is watch them, which is absolutely free and open to everyone. You simply need to view videos, get points, and then withdraw your funds. However, before you can begin making a lot of money, you must first complete the task outlined in this video. Before we go into the platform, it's crucial to highlight that our strategy will focus on what we do when we watch YouTube videos on our phones and laptops. In today's world, I'm not sure how this activity may make us money, but here we are. Isn't technology wonderful? Not only that, but because this is going to be a fun film, I'll teach you another approach to maximize and take notes. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Let's return to the video now. AddMeFast.com will allow you to watch YouTube videos in exchange for points that can be exchanged for cash or PayPal money. Just remain with me and I'll show you how to turn your points into cash. This is also a social media engagement platform where users can share their YouTube views, likes, and other comparable data. On this page, you may discover more about the site and the unique features that this platform provides. All you need is a YouTube account to use this site and make money. To make money, you don't need a lot of subscribers or likes. All you need is an account. If you don't already have a channel, you can create one by going to youtube.com and joining up. Click this button to return to AddMeFast platform and try it out for free. You'll be taken to this page after clicking it, where you'll be asked for information such as your first name and last name, email address, and other details needed to create an account. So once you're finished, check this box and complete the sign-up procedure. After you register, they'll give you a confirmation email that looks like this. Check your spam folder because their emails are nearly always redirected to in your email. Click the verification link to become a registered user of the website. For the time being, please allow me to log into my account so that you may verify that this platform is genuine and effective. As you can see from the dashboard, this is just a basic website where you can earn money on a daily basis. There are choices for earning points on the left-hand side. By clicking here, you can like and comment and post, as well as follow random accounts on Twitter, Facebook, and other social media platforms. The platform will provide you the relevant points once you have completed these activities. Before we go any further, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video thus far. Please leave a comment below if you found this video interesting and informative. Let's get back to the video now. On the plus side, you are free to use any social networking platform you like. We've come to create a life and build an income stream by viewing YouTube videos that can help us with whatever demands we have. Search for and pick YouTube views in the left-hand panel. You'll be taken to this website as soon as you click that button. As you can see, you must view this video for a specified number of seconds in order to earn this number of points. It's as simple as watching a video and seeing this page display on your screen. As you can see, the page is ticking down, so we'll have to wait a few minutes to receive our goodies. Furthermore, you may apply the approach to earn limitless number of points simply by watching a video for a few minutes on a regular basis. You may also exchange your points for social media likes, views, or subscriptions, and you'll get this many points for referring someone to the platform's referral program. Another feature on this page is that you can get a daily bonus by simply signing up and accomplishing chores every day. However, this option will only be offered to accounts who have been active for a long time, so be active to claim that daily bonus. Make careful to log in every day because this platform rewards consistency. Let's make the most of our YouTube videos by watching them all at once now that we don't have a daily bonus. By all means, watch them all. Since you're still here, I'll show you another site that will help you earn more money by just using AddMeFast. It's astonishing to consider how much money this platform may generate. Let's head to PlayerUp.com, where you may buy and sell social media accounts and interaction. Go to this page and scroll down to the Markets button for all other games. After pressing that button, look in the letter F category for the Facebook button. You'll be directed to this page where you can buy, sell, and trade Facebook likes, friends, and follows. We'll concentrate on Facebook likes, follows, and shares to make things easy. So if I click right here, I'll receive this. You'll come across this page where people sell these types of services for reasonable prices. For example, you could sell these types of services and PlayerUp with the help of AddMeFast and by watching YouTube videos. Consider that if you do this on a regular basis, it will undoubtedly help you and your needs. Now all you have to do is sign up with PlayerUp and start marketing your services. So for example, if a customer asks you to increase the amount of likes on a Facebook post, you'll go to AddMeFast.com and look for the plus add button on the dashboard. Following your decision to proceed, you'll be directed to this page where you will select the kind, which in this case is Facebook likes. Then select Global from the Nation category and put anything the buyer wants in the title area. You must now copy the customer's URL for their page or post and insert or paste it here. The CPC is determined by the number of points you spend, which is equivalent to the number of likes you receive. You're finished after inputting and processing everything, and you've provided a service to the customer by supplying Facebook likes and the likes, and that's all there is to it. You've accomplished a simple assignment in exchange for a substantial sum of money. To make things easier, sign up for AddMeFast and watch a lot of videos to earn points. Then go to PlayerUp.com and select the Facebook likes category. After you've amassed a significant number of points in AddMeFast, you'll need to register with PlayerUp and offer your service, which in this case is selling Facebook likes. If a client wants to buy the service of improving certain areas of their social media engagement, they can do so by sending your URL, which you can enter in the AddMeFast box right here. That concludes the discussion. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.